Question number 3, problem sum, decimal fraction of exercise 21. A post has 0.3 of its length in mud, 0.4 of it in water and 9 meters above water. Find length of post. Now post, what does it mean? It means it can be a long standing pole, it can be a telegraph post. So this 0.3 of its length is inside mud and 0.4 is inside water. This is given to you, and the remaining, which is lying outside mud and water, the measurement is given 9 meters. So here the total, how many posts is there? Only one post is there, one standing long post. So the total number of posts is 1. Out of that, 0.3 is inside mud. So this only tells you the fraction of the pole that is inside mud, and 0.4 of the stick is inside water. But it does not tell you give you any actual measurement. How many meters is above mud or how many meters is above water. And here the information is given to you straight away as measurement. How much of the stick is outside water or the post is outside water and mud, that is 9 meters given to you. That means this much is 9 meters. But here it is not given in fraction. What is the fraction of post that is outside mud and water? So first, how will we find out? This is the entire post. Here what is given? The fraction of the post which is inside mud, and here what is the fraction inside water. And here the measurement is given but not the fraction which is lying outside mud and water. So first we will find what is the fraction of the stick which is outside mud and water. For this we will start with, first we have to find fraction of post inside mud and water. So how much of the post is inside mud and water? In fraction terms, 0.4 plus 0.3. Now if you add, you can do the addition yourself. You have done so many times decimal addition. So 0.7. 0.7 of the stick is inside mud and water. Therefore, fraction of the stick which is outside mud and water, fraction of post above water. How much is above water? If the fraction total is always 1, how many stick is there? How many post is there? Only 1. So the total is 1 minus, what is the fraction which is immersed in water as well as in mud? 0.7. So if I subtract 1 minus 0.7, you can do it on your own. This is 0.3. So 0.3 is the fraction of stick that lies above water. And we also know the original measurement of the stick that is above water. So we can write, according to the problem, 0.3 of the post is equal to 9 meters. So in fraction, only 0.3 of the, if the total post is 1, only 0.3 fraction is above water. And in actual measurement term, 9 meters is above water. Now if we change it into fraction, 3 by 10 We are changing the decimal into fraction. So 0.3 means 3 by 10 of post above water is equal to 9 meters. And what we are required to find? The total, find the length of the post. That means the total post. So therefore, total length of post will be equal to, now you have to think, if 9 meter is only above water given, only this much is 9 meter, the total post will have a greater measurement, or the length will be much more. So the total length of the post that we want to find out, its measurement must be more than 9 meters. So with 9 meters already given, a portion of the post measurement is already given, we are writing that into, we have to multiply a greater or a lesser fraction, because the total post will be much more in length, because only above water we know 9 meter is there, then the total length of the post will be much more. So 9 meters into a greater fraction we need to multiply. So instead of 3 by 10, we are going to take the greater fraction by reciprocaling it, so that the numerator becomes more than the denominator. So we are multiplying with a greater than fraction. 3 and 9 gets cancelled. 3 3s are 9. 3 meter into 10. That means 30 meter is the actual length of the post.